Hi everyone, welcome to our project presentation for HRM 453. Today, our team is diving deep into a cornerstone of human resource management, performance management and appraisal. Delivering this structural analysis with me today are my team member, which is Rebka, Ju, Khalifa and Putri. Now, let's get started on with Rebecca.
Good day everyone, I am Rebecca. Today our team will explore performance management, which we define as a strategic transformation system designed to align employee output directly with organization objective. This is not a one-time event, but a continuous life cycle involving 5 key activities. Number 1 is the planning aligned objective. Number 2, monitoring through feedback. Number 3, developing capacity. Number 4, rating performance accurately and rewarding high achievers. We must manage this efficiently because the hidden costs of failure are staggering. Efficient annual only system lead to a 32% resource drain and a 2.5 times increase in turnover risk and a 40% drop in the creative output as the employee shift into a culture of strict compliance rather than problem solving. Ju will not explain how this function serves as a performance multiplier.
Thanks, Rebecca. I'm Ju. To put it simply, good performance management is like a multiplier for the whole office. When people know exactly what their goals are, productivity naturally goes up. And it's not about working harder, it's about feeling value. When the feedback is fair, employees are more satisfied and actually want to stay with the company. This creates a safe place where the people feel okay sharing new crazy ideas, which leads to innovation. At the end of the day, all of this added up to sustain profitability, but not just take my word. Hayati has a great real world example in this action.
Thanks, Ju. Hello, everyone. I am Hayati. Now that we understand the core theories behind modern performance appraisal, let's look at how this play out in the real corporate world. Let's take a look at a massive tech giant we all know, Adobe. For decades, Adobe relies on the traditional rigid systems of annual performance review and forced employee ranking. But by 2012, HR leadership realized the system was fundamentally broken. It created cultures of intense anxiety, pit teammates against each other, and wasted an estimated 80,000 manager hours every single year just on paperwork. It was backward looking rather than forward thinking. So Adobe did something radical. It completely abolished the annual review. In its place, they pioneered a continued performance management framework called check-in model. Instead of waiting 12 months for stressful high-stake evolutions, manager and employee began having informal real-time chat at least once a quarter. This discussion focuses on three continuous pillars: expectation setting, real-time feedback, and employee development. It transformed the manager's role from a judgmental judge into an active career coach. And the outcomes were undeniable. Following the implementations on, Adobe witnesses a 25% to 30% drop in voluntary employee turnover, meaning they keep their top talent happy. Furthermore, aligning individual goals with shifting business priorities drove immense organizations' agility, contributing to historic climb in Adobe's top performance and review during that decade. Adobe proved that when you make feedback agile and continuous, both your people and your profit thrive. But as great as this sounds, Shifting away from the traditional appraisal system isn't always smooth sailing. To explain the deep challenges and the criticisms of performance management, let me hand it over to Khalifa.
Thank you, Hayati. My name is Khalifa, and I will be discussing the challenge in implementing a performance appraisal system. Despite its benefit, organizations often face several friction points during implementation. One major challenge is misaligned goals where employees' daily responsibilities are not clearly linked to the organization over a strategic objective. When this happens, employees may not fully understand how their work contributes to company success. Another challenge is system inadequacy. Outdated or inefficient HR system can make it difficult to provide timely feedback and effectively manage performance data. Organizations may also face managerial bias and subjectivity where performance evaluation are influenced by personal opinion rather than objective criteria. This can reduce employee trust in appraisal process. As a result of these issues, many employees develop resistance toward performance appraisal and may view the process negatively. To address this challenge and improve implementation, Putri will now present our strategic recommendation.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Thank you, Khalifa. Good day to our lecturer, Dr. Sally, and hello to my hardworking team, Rebka, Junaida, Hayati, and Khalifa. My name is Safawati, and I will be sharing our final recommendation and summary for today. Looking at this slide, we have three big ideas to make performance management successful in any company. Firstly, agile technology. Companies should stop relying on all spreadsheets and start using smart performance management system. These tools can track employee performance in real time, making it easier for manager and employees to stay updated and work towards the same goals. Secondly, managerial calibration. We need to train our bosses to be coaches instead of just judges. They should focus on helping workers improve every day, not just once a year. Thirdly, radical transparency. Companies should clearly explain how employees are evaluated. Everyone should understand how their hard work can help them to get a better pay, rewards, or promotion. To wrap everything up, let's look at this winning formula. Clear strategic goals plus regular comment and suggestion multiplied by fair appraisal system equal to greater organizational performance. When a company uses this approach, employees can contribute more to the company's success. Our group believes that being fair and honest is the best way to create a strong and successful team. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you, Dr. Sally, for your guidance and support. Thank you also to all our group members for their hard work and teamwork. We hope you found our presentation interesting and informative. Thank you.